What is a soldier have so bad?
Me see it, man. Me just see the man.
What is a Rasta have so bad? Check his pot, yo. Good day.
Pretty.
The man have bad done.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. They are getting up peeps today. We're there with another epic adventure. So today, me and Rass there. I wish probably there. We're gonna code that with there today. And match up some food. So what we're gonna match up today, guys? Some steamed fish with some
curry.
Alright, curry steamed fish.
Yeah.
Tell them that is.
Some curry. I will do it like this. Season up. Cut up seasoning. Then the curry. It's a real vibe this up.
Guys, good bonito, you know? Nice and clean bonito, guys. Yeah, man. Rest of the go and get everything seasoned up. Today's an epic day, peeps. Just stay tuned for all of this, guys. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man, not here get the bonito egg seasoned up the right and properly, you know? That is it now, guys. Yeah, guys. Bobo are going to get the seasoning them cut up, the Irish potato, and we have some carrot, we have tomatoes, we have pepper, and we have thyme, we have scallion, we have onion, guys. So stay tuned for this very nice moment. We are cut up a season them in our calabash. Can a Rasta not eat out a plate, you know, guys? Alone calabash. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. Fireball, I go and get the cold ketchup, you know, the mean one, you know. Yeah, guys, we'll get the pot put on the coal now. This is the frying pot that we're going to be using for today, guys. The moment the pot get hot, guys, Rass I go get the oil, turn it. You know, just jump in action, guys. So stay tuned for all of that.
So what is the most weirdest creature we ever catch in a one pot? Like sea creature? The biggest creature is like a eel. Eel? Yeah. Oh, kangaroo. Yeah, but I see a lot of sea creature, you know, because I see the monster, plain.
Monster?
It just look like me and you. Up here, so. Just like how you see the sea puss look, so up here, so.
Yeah, not I'll get the oil, throw in the pot now. While Bobby are going to interview Natty.
Yeah. Catching fish.
Yeah. Yeah, guys.
It's still pictures. It's still like when in the
Yeah, guys, not I'll get the seasoning in my pot now.
wow.
Yeah.
Like this. Make it half cooked. Half cooked.
Yeah, guys, looking so lovely. Remember, guys, to like and share, and guys, if you don't subscribe as yet, I'm asking you guys to use your discretion and go over to my channel and subscribe. And remember, please press the like button, guys. I'm asking you to do, okay? Yeah, guys, a new style, you know, because we don't want the okra them for too soft. So stay tuned for all of this, guys.
Not enough to cook too soft. Okay. Fish take 15 minutes to cooking, so by the time.
Yeah guys, this is something new. Never come out the Rasta class, you know guys.
You just heat the choke of them already, and see them cards already.
Yeah guys, very nice moment, you know. Put him on back on now.
What is that soldier have so bad?
Me see it man, me just see the man.
What is that Rasta have so bad? Check his pot, yo. Good day.
Pretty.
That man have bad done.
Guys, not yet checking back on it. Fish again. Looking so lovely. Looking very nice guys. Can't wait to taste it. Check in. Let them see how thick is the gravy, Natty. Let them see it now. How thick is this? Oh my god. Man. Curry fish. For the fire now guys. So I'm gonna put on another pot or I'm gonna use to cook the ground provision, you know. Stay tuned for all of that guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna put on the ground provision in this guys. So stay tuned for all of this guys. Yeah guys, Natty getting the dumpling them knead up. Yeah. Knead the flour straight up. You have to knead it the right and properly way. So stay tuned for all of this guys. It's an epic moment. Yeah guys, dumpling looking so lovely. You can see the caramel. Everything just looking so perfect. Yeah guys, that is it. So we're gonna get the ground provision now, peel, and as I said before guys, you can see exactly everything that we're gonna be using today. So stay tuned for all of that guys.
You brought them away to the place, you know, they should come up somewhere. You know what I'm saying? You brought them away to the whole of the street, you know. People and come up back up here. My brother can't come out for about over 2 months now, brother. I say nobody come forward. A man come by with and carry. But you know, when you know you have to do a carry. That's all right.
Pretty and nice, you know.
One in there, one stand in there, one burner will stand everything there. I'm actually trying.
Nerves, I want to see her sitting in there.
Yeah guys, I'll get the ground porridge on them now. Put in the pot.
Banana.
Yeah guys, remember banana, you know?
Put yam now and something. Take everything one time, you know?
Yeah. White yam. I have some.
I come and broke me up before, see.
Yeah guys, you have the yellow yam. You have the sweet potato guys. And I'm gonna drop in some banana again. Looking so lovely.
Now I know brookings, man. Brookings are my boy, man.
You put that boil up now, just put the flour in there now.
Yeah guys, stay tuned. We're gonna go and get the pot cover until everything go and bubble up. You just drop in the cooking dumpling them same time. So stay tuned for that. Pot and shut down. Yeah guys, now you're gonna drop the dumpling them in the pot now. Yeah man, that is it, you know. Well, now to get the dumpling them just in the pot, guys. Yeah guys, should we play it less? We just use the easier way, you know? Because try to see side with the pan.
Yeah.
Easier way, everything become a plate to us.
Just like with your bush cooking, you know?
Yes. Alright guys, stay tuned. As soon as Natty got all the flour dumpling inside the pot, I'm gonna let you guys have a look at that. So stay tuned, okay guys? Yeah guys, last dumpling to go.
Final.
Stay tuned for all of this guys. Yeah guys, go that can check in pan in boat, you know?
You know, that's where we have come.
Yeah man, go that boat. You cannot flood out.
You know, so me should go be alone till I come, me can't go in there, you know. Go be alone.
Yeah guys, go that boat. Full up with water guys. Beer water and a cold that boat, you know? Yeah man. Out we out, you know? Yeah guys, go that. I'm going on the boat now, you know? Get some water. Throw to the boat. Yeah guys, checking back on the pot one more time, you know? Wow. Banana them cook already. Look at this baby. Nice dumpling, you know? Flatten all the strip out already, looking good. Wow. Renta yam cookers ready. All sweet potato cook already. Everything ready guys. Everything looking good guys. Very nice day, you know? Outside, do the right thing. Just remember now guys, like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. So each time I upload a video on YouTube, you guys can be the first person to watch it. Just remember to click the notification and press all. So each time a video go up, you guys get it first, alright? Just do the right thing. Yeah guys, food done cook, everything done cook guys. Time to share some food and consume some food now.
You want to mash up, you know? Everything is straight.
stay tuned for all of this, guys. Food looking so lovely, looking very nice, you know. Yeah man, Natty production. Respect to Natty all the days out. So stay tuned till Natty have all of the fish kind share out, guys. Epic moment. You guys, oh my god, everything just looking lovely, guys. Everything looking active. So stay tuned for that, guys. Nevertheless, yeah guys, Natty will get the ground provision, go inside the plate now. Everything looking so lovely. Food look clean. Everything clean, guys. Remember to like up the video, guys, alright? Just stay tuned till all of the ground provision, share out in all of the plate them, so we can cover the food and consume. So stay tuned for that, alright guys?
Rastafari will consume some food, you know. Some fish, banana, white yam, sweet potato, dumpling, and things. We give thanks to the Most High for, you know, provide and them things. Amen.
Alright guys, as I said before, Bobby bless the food. We have to give thanks to that. And we have to thank Almighty God the Creator, because whatever done during the day, Almighty provided for us, and without Almighty we are nothing. So we have to appreciate every minute, every second, every hour to the Most High.
Give thanks, man.
Yeah man, so
remember to like, subscribe, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, right?
yeah guys, Bobby I good on like food, you know.
Curry fish.
Yeah man, pour that over there, so go down in a feed same way. Yeah man, with the bubble.
Giving praises
To the Most High, which are Rastafari, you know. See, pour that over there, so go down in a feed one.
Yeah man.
It's a good look.
Very nice, man. You see now? Yeah, give thanks.
Yeah guys, this is mine, you know. So I'm gonna go down in mine just a bit, you know guys. I'm gonna taste the banana. That's what it tastes like, guys. Yeah guys, thank you so very much to watch the video from the beginning until the end. So I'm gonna consume some food.